Alright y'all, got a 2013 Freightliner CL120 triaxle dump for you today. 503,000 miles, 23,000 hours. Glider kit truck, y'all. Right kind right here. If you like blue, this is the truck for you. Cummins turbo diesel, no DIFF, no DPF, no regen. You ain't got to fool with none of that. Just get in it, put diesel in it, and go. BEAU-ROC 16-foot bed. Y'all look at that floor. That floor might be new, y'all. Air gate, electric tarp. Nearly brand new DR444 BF Goodrich drive rubber. Still got some of the tips on it, y'all. Ain't got many miles on them at all. Tough track suspension. Steerable third axle. Double frame. This goes on the positives on these trucks, y'all. Single tank, 100-gallon tank on the passenger side. 425 big rubber on the front. 24.5 aluminums all the way around on the back. 22.5 on the steerable third in the front. £20,000 front axle, 12,000 pound, 300-pound steerable axle. Sorry y'all, I got a little confused. Something's in my eye. 40K rears. This truck drove in. This one and the other one drove in. About 100 miles. These are the right kind of trucks, y'all. No emissions. Diff lock. Cruise control, engine brake, power windows, power mirrors. It's the truck you've been looking for. 13601 Highway 45, North Finger, Tennessee. SouthernEquipmentLLC.com is our website for all your retail items. SESbid.com is our auction website. Y'all, we have an auction the third Thursday of every single month. Thank y'all for watching our videos.